Want your projects to run like a well-oiled machine? Let's dive into how to reorder those tasks in Jira. It's the key to a smooth workflow and peak project performance. First, you'll want to be on your project's board in Jira. Next, simply locate the task you want to move. Now, depending on your board settings, the process may alter slightly, but most often, you can just click, hold, and drag the task card to its new position within the column. Look for the highlighted area. Notice how other tasks shift automatically. If you would prefer to move a task to a different column, you can do the same. Click and drag the task card to your destination column. Some boards support sorting. If you do not want to drag and drop, you could sort your board, clicking the column headers to sort by different criteria like priority or due date. Sorting tasks in Jira allows users to change all the tasks at one time. One more method for reordering tasks. Some boards you may click the three dots or more options, which may reveal a move or reorder option. Once in this mode, you can rearrange the tasks as needed. And there you have it. Reordering tasks in Jira is easy, ensuring your team focuses on what matters most. Reorder your tasks, boost your prioritization, and watch your project efficiency soar. Now go build that perfect workflow.